What a beautiful day to work in the garden, little one.
Good morning, neighbors. I brought some fresh bamboo for the kitchen.
Excuse me, Dr. Husky. Do you know where the honey is kept?
It's right down this aisle, near the cereals.
That will be $5 please.
Here you go, Dr. Husky. Thank you.
Hold on tight, little squirrel. We are coming for you!
Grab the handle, little friend.
Helicopter rescue is here. Everyone get to high ground. Together, we can face any storm. We should celebrate our teamwork with a proper farm feast.
Look at this one, little squirrel. It is bigger than my head.
Thank you for the help, Doctor. It is good to see everyone resting.
My radishes!
Easy there, little one. No scratches? You are as brave as a lion.
To the best team in Mewington! It makes you realize how much we have to protect. Another beautiful day to start fresh. Good morning, sleepyhead. Drink up, we have a big day ahead.
Good morning. I am here for our weekly community health check. I found a rare sprout for your garden, Mama Cat.
Don't forget the honey for Papa Panda's tea. Almost there. Just need the honey and some acorns.
Here you go, little one. Anything else for the farm today?
Hurry back, kitten! The rain is starting!
Over here, kitten! Park it quickly!
Good work, everyone. Everything is safe and dry.
That is not just a storm! Look at that smoke! I must go help. Kitten, stay here with Papa Panda. Doctor, check for anyone trapped inside. I will handle the flames. Stay calm, little one. Reach for the rope.
I have it held steady. Make it quick.
I've got
get you. You're safe now. Let's get out of here before the water rises further.
Perfect landing, Kitten. Is everyone okay?
His heart is racing, but he is unhurt. He just needs warmth and rest.
You are safe now, little friend. The fire will warm you up in no time.
I put the rescue chopper away, Mama. Did the squirrel wake up yet?
I brought some bamboo root tea. It is very good for the nerves after a big fright.
To our brave pilot and our fearless firefighter, we make a great team.
Look! He is hungry. He wants his acorn.
We will start the repairs at first light. The barn held up well, but the fence needs work.
As long as we are together, Meowington Farm will always be home. The storm is over, little squirrel. It is time to help the garden grow again.
These are heavy from the rain, but we will have this cleared in no time.
If we dig here, the water will fly away, just like my plane.
These new seeds will ensure the next harvest is stronger than the last. I have the supplies you requested. Ready to plant?
Found it! My plane can fly again! Everyone will be so hungry after all that planting.
Almost finished. This barn will be stronger than ever. We didn't just fix the farm today. We made it a home again. Peace has returned to the farm at last.
If we fly the seeds over the far field, we can plant everything twice as fast.
Your heart is beating as strong as a lion's today, little squirrel.
We need the special fertilizer and some fresh honey for Papa Panda. Thank you, Doctor. These supplies will finish the greenhouse perfectly. Remember, safety first. Kitten, check your height. Papa Panda, hold the line.
Perfect fit. Now, if the water rises, you stay calm and float, okay?
Together, we have built something that no storm can ever break. Tomorrow, we will see the first sprouts under the new glass. You were a very brave helper today, little one. Look, someone left us a gift by the sunflowers. It is a pilot's dream. Can I fly it to the city supermarket, Mama?
Your heart is as steady as an old oak, Papa Panda.
Duty calls! Everyone to the disaster zone! Keep back! I am starting the water now!
Mama, I see the path is clear on the east side. Move the truck there.
Hold the rope steady, Papa Panda. The current is getting stronger.
Another job well done. Let us go home to the farm. Every mission reminds me why we work so hard to keep our farm safe.
A warm bowl of soup is the best way to end a day like today, right, Kitten?
I just wanted to make sure our brave rescuers were getting enough rest.
Tomorrow, we harvest the golden seeds for the supermarket.
Ready for delivery! All the animals in the city are waiting for these.
Fresh from Meowington Farm, Dr. Husky.
They look perfect. Mama will be so happy.
See you next week, Dr. Husky. You made it back just in time for the evening mist, Kitten. The supermarket was so happy with our harvest. Dr. Husky says hello.
Grow well, little ones. The farm is safe tonight.
Each morning is a new chance to make the farm even better.
Look, little squirrel, I'm doing a barrel roll.
The clinic is quiet today, so I thought I would help with the fence repairs.
As long as we stand together, Meowington Farm will always be our home. Today is a perfect day for a bountiful harvest, little one.
Good morning. I am ready to fill this basket with your finest sunflowers.
Let's make something special for our hard-working neighbors.
Here you go, little squirrel. A fresh acorn just for you.
Are you ready for our big delivery to the city?
Fresh delivery from Meowington Farm, Dr. Husky.
Thank you, Kitten. This will make many shoppers very happy.
What is that sound? Something doesn't feel right.
Dr. Husky, the sky is turning orange. We have to find Mama. Papa Panda, watch the farm. I must head to the disaster zone immediately. Squeak! Squeak! Hold on, little squirrel! I am coming to get you!
Mama, we are right above you. Drop the squirrel and grab the rope.
I've got him! Hoist us up, kitten!
Great work, team. Everyone is safe. Let's head back to the farm.
Perfect landing, kitten. Is everyone okay?
His heart is racing, but he is unhurt. He just needs warmth and rest.
You are safe now, little friend. The fire will warm you up in no time.
I put the rescue chopper away, Mama. Did the squirrel wake up yet?
I brought some bamboo root tea. It is very good for the nerves after a big fright.
To our brave pilot and our fearless firefighter, we make a great team.
Look! He is hungry. He wants his acorn.
We will start the repairs at first light. The barn held up well, but the fence needs work.
As long as we are together, Meowington Farm will always be home. The storm is over. Now we make our home beautiful again. These are the special sunflower seeds Dr. Husky recommended, kitten.
The squirrel is doing much better today. He just needs a few more acorns and rest.
I am ready to head to the city supermarket, Mama. Hello, Dr. Husky. I need some fresh carrots and a new spatula for Mama. Let's see. Carrots, check. My A+ list is the best. Onward to the fishy snacks.
That will be exactly 5 paw dollars, kitten. Excellent math.
That smoke looks very close, Dr. Husky. We have to help.
Papa Panda, hold the perimeter. I am going in. Hang on, little squirrel. I am coming up.
Mama Cat! The water is rising fast! Be careful up there!
I have got you, little friend. You are safe now.
We are right above you! Get ready!
Good work, Doctor. Kitten, get us back to the farm. We lost the truck, but we save a life. That is what matters.
Look, Mama! Papa Panda is waiting for us! We are home!
Soft landing, kitten. We are home safe and sound.
His vitals are stabilizing. A bit of warmth and some rest is all he needs now.
Nothing heals a long night like a bowl of fresh vegetable broth.
I thought the little one might need some extra energy today.
at him go! He must be feeling much better now.
Dr. Husky, do you have any of those special sunflower seeds left?
If we start at dawn, we can have the whole south field seeded by noon.
Look at the colors, kitten. The farm always looks best at this hour.
Sleep tight, little squirrel. You're part of the family now.
Good night, Meowington. See you in the morning. The storm is over. Now we make our home beautiful again.
These are the special sunflower seeds Dr. Husky recommended, kitten.
The squirrel is doing much better today. He just needs a few more acorns and rest.
I am ready to head to the city supermarket, Mama. Hello, Dr. Husky. I need some fresh carrots and a new spatula for Mama.
That will be exactly 5 paw dollars, kitten. Excellent math.
That smoke looks very close, Dr. Husky. We have to help. Papa Panda, hold the perimeter. I am going in. Almost there, little squirrel. Reach for my paw.
Mama Cat! The water is rising fast! Be careful up there!
I have got you, little friend. You are safe now.
Mama, we are right above you. Grab the rope.
Good work, Doctor. Kitten, get us back to the farm. We lost the truck, but we save a life. That is what matters.
Look, Mama. Papa Panda is waiting for us. We are home.
Welcome back, brave hearts. The tea is already brewing in the kitchen.
Together, we can weather any storm and put out any fire. The storm has passed, and today we start again.
I will move these bales, Mama Cat. Your garden will be ready by sunset.
Our little friend is doing much better today. He just needs more acorns.
Meowington Farm Delivery, coming through.
Fresh radishes for the clinic, Dr. Husky.
Here are the seeds for Mama Cat, and a special prize for the best driver.
Together, we can make any place home.